In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to connect ClickUp with Dropbox step by step, so you can easily attach files, manage documents, and keep everything synced between your tasks and your cloud storage. This integration is perfect if you work with files daily and want faster access without constantly switching apps. If you find this tutorial helpful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more simple software tutorials like this. All right, let's jump right in. First, open your browser and log into your ClickUp account. Make sure you're using the correct workspace where you want Dropbox to be connected. Once you're logged in, you'll land on your main ClickUp dashboard, where you can see your spaces, folders, and tasks. Next, look at the left-hand panel in ClickUp. Scroll down slightly and click on the option called More. This section contains additional settings and tools that aren't shown by default, including integrations and apps. After clicking More, find and click on Apps. This will open the ClickUp Apps and Integrations page, where you can connect ClickUp with third-party tools like cloud storage, communication apps, and automation platforms. Now that you're on the Apps page, scroll through the list or use the search option to find Dropbox. Once you see Dropbox in the list of available integrations, click on it to open the integration settings. Inside the Dropbox integration page, you'll see a Connect button. Go ahead and click on Connect. ClickUp will now redirect you to Dropbox to authorize the connection. If you're not already logged into Dropbox, you'll be prompted to sign in using your Dropbox account. Dropbox will then ask for permission to connect with ClickUp. Review the permissions so you understand what access is being granted, and then approve the connection. This allows ClickUp to attach Dropbox files directly to your tasks. Once the authorization is complete, you'll be redirected back to ClickUp, and the Dropbox integration will now be active. From this point on, you can attach Dropbox files to tasks, comments, and descriptions without downloading and re-uploading files manually. To test it out, open any task in ClickUp. Click on the attachment option and choose Dropbox. You should now see your Dropbox folders and files available to attach instantly. And that's it. You've successfully connected ClickUp with Dropbox and streamlined the way you manage files across your projects. This small setup can save you a lot of time and keep your workflow clean and organized. If this video helped you, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more ClickUp and productivity tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.